All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the dissolved oxygen test. So we're going to see how much oxygen is in our sample of water. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to take out from the black case, you're going to take out your little tube, and you are going to put approximately 25 milliliters of water. Okay, so approximately 25, just get it up near the 25 on the tube there, and then you're going to set that down, and you're going to very carefully open up the box, and we're going to take out very carefully one little glass tube. This is glass, ladies and gentlemen, so you have to be extremely careful. You want to close that box right back up. All right, you've got one glass tube. You're now going to, and this can get a little bit tricky, but if you look down in the bottom of this tube, you will see a bunch of little bumps down on the bottom. You're going to take your glass tube, the pointy end, you're going to put it down into the little vial, and you're going to put it up against one of those bumps, and you're actually going to break glass, ladies and gentlemen, but very carefully. So we're actually going to break that the tip of that glass off. I pushed it up against a bump, put just a little bit of pressure on it, and it broke. And now we're going to sit and wait. All right, a chemical reaction is taking place. All right, the chemical inside that was inside that glass tube is reacting with the oxygen that is inside your vial. Some of that water is also going up into the tube to mix with that chemical, and you can see that there's a color change taking place. You're gonna let that sit. You have a timer. You can let that sit for about 2 minutes or so and let that reaction happen. When you are all done, you're going to go ahead and again carefully, well, actually maybe we will leave it in there, come to think of it. You're going to then take and hold it in the light so you can see, and you're gonna all work together to try to determine which color it matches with the best. The best way to do this, turn it upside down, and then you're going to keep moving it up and down the scale until you have found a match. You may have to do it a few times, you'll have to work together, but hopefully you can, as a group, come to a consensus about where your match is. All right, decide which number it's closest to and record that information.